Hey, and welcome to Anne's Family Recipe. Today I'm teaching you the best way to cook asparagus. My sister Elizabeth Jane introduced me to this cooking method a few years ago, and I have never looked back. It is so easy, super quick, and totally foolproof. So I'm going to show you today how I broil my asparagus. I started by preheating my broiler to high, and I kept my rack right in the middle of the oven. Next, I prepped my asparagus. I just bought one bunch, and my husband and I prefer kind of a medium width. We don't like the really skinny ones because they kind of just wither away when you cook them, but the really fat ones can sometimes be too tough. So these were the perfect size. I washed them thoroughly and then patted them dry. Next, I used an old trick that I learned from Rachel Ray, where you bend the bottom of one spear of asparagus until it snaps, and that's your guide for cutting the bottoms off the rest of the spears. So you can break them each individually or just chop them all off. And you do this because the ends are a little too fibrous and tough to eat. Next, I laid all of the asparagus spears onto a rimmed sheet pan, and I drizzled them with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and a generous sprinkling of kosher salt and black pepper. Then I used my hands to toss them all around so they were evenly coated in the oil and seasonings. Then I spread them out in a single layer. These went under the broiler for exactly 8 minutes. You don't need to toss them around. When they come out, they will be fork tender, slightly charred on the edges. The tips of the asparagus spears get a little bit crispy. They are perfect. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram at Anne's Family Recipe, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for joining me here in my kitchen, and I'll see you again soon with more family recipes.